I asked 100 philosophy channels the same question. Can philosophy provide meaning to the modern person? Each channel gets 2 minutes to answer. Here are 3 submissions. I hope you enjoy.
Hello, I'm the creator of the philosophy YouTube channel Carneades.org. As a philosophical skeptic, I don't know if philosophy can create meaning or provide truth for the modern person. I don't, in fact, know anything or know if we can know anything. That said, it appears to me that philosophy may be useful to the modern person in these 3 ways. Number 1, logic. Philosophy teaches you about which arguments are valid and which ones are fallacious, and that can help you in your quest for truth, meaning, and understanding. Number 2, cross-discipline disagreements. Philosophy is the sea in which all other disciplines swim, and it's the place that can bring things like science and religion together to talk to each other as opposed to talking past each other, and bring them in conversation with each other. Number 3, ethics and justice. Philosophy is the only discipline allowed to make determinations about what is right and wrong, just and unjust, and to research these concepts specifically. In fact, exclusions of philosophy and these concerns from economics is what has led to economists valuing some lives more than others. Check out our new book, Are All Lives Equal, for more on how philosophy can bring meaning to economics and to the economic practice of cost-benefit analysis. And of course, check out the nearly 1,000 videos we have over on the YouTube channel if you think philosophy can bring meaning to your life and if you want to learn more about philosophy. Stay skeptical.
Mankind is in the unique position of existing in the physical world and the immaterial world simultaneously. Think about any major event in history. Something physical happened. Someone was born, someone died, a battle was won, a treaty was signed. But the significance of these events resound far beyond the rearrangement of matter. The same probably holds true for your own life. The most significant, most memorable events transcend the physical. They raise our thoughts to something higher. Sadly, those events are far too infrequent, and for most of our lives we exist in that lower, more menial place. Like the cave dwellers in Plato's Republic, most often our thoughts and time are spent on thoroughly unimportant things. Aristotle believed that humans have a telos, or a goal, a best possible life. Many philosophers, as well as the Christian faith, agree with this idea. When you have a target, you know where to aim. Consider any human endeavor, a job, sports, hobbies, whatever. Each of these has a definite aim. You succeed in fishing when you catch a fish. You succeed in basketball when your team scores more points than the other team. Everything has a goal, including our lives. But many today have no sense of what the telos of their life might be. And if they do, it's often a misguided one, like money, pleasure, or fame. This is why theology, philosophy, and the humanities are so important. They pull us out of the cave and present us with realities that are true, good, and beautiful. These realities help orient our decisions toward a true goal. They cause us to dwell on ideas of lasting importance, and they help guard us against the 2 extremes of arrogance and apathy. Much of modern culture has eviscerated us of what makes us truly human. It causes us to think about ourselves, not in a reflective, self-improving way, but in a way that's myopic and self-destructive. But when we turn to God, to great books, and to great art, we can acquire the power to say no to the lower and live lives of meaning and value.
Can philosophy provide meaning for the modern person? Let's break down the word philosophy. Philia Sophia is the Greek origin of the word. It means love and wisdom, the love of wisdom. So the question is, can wisdom provide meaning to your life? Well, what else do you have? We have really 2 forces in this world. You have the forces of culture, and you have the forces of philosophy, the forces of wisdom. And the forces of culture are focused on what is true here and now, a local truth. It doesn't care really about universality. We know that all cultures are a reflection of their local time and place and the people that are participating in it. And it evolves and changes and adapts just like living organisms change and adapt. Philosophy is the pursuit of the wisdoms that are always true. It wants to sift through the creations of culture and discover the things that truly are universal. By collecting that knowledge and collecting that information, that is the art and practice of philosophy and being a philosopher. What you do with that knowledge is up to you. Most people think that philosophers just argue with each other and write papers that no one reads, but the true art of philosophy is trying to understand what is this thing that we're trapped inside of, and what is the true nature of our own being, because no one knows for certain. Culture provides you with titles and labels and answers to those questions, but culture provides those for its benefit, not your own.
Thank you to each of the channels who joined us, and a special thank you to the Philosophy channel Eternalized, who helped put us all together. Thank you for joining us. Join us in next episode to see who's next.